This was the last time the national rail network ground to a halt. It was 1994, and strikes by signal and maintenance workers left departure boards blank and passengers going nowhere. Fast forward to today, and members of the 16,000-strong RMT union have once again voted to walk out, angry at a £500 one-off pay offer and 3 years of pay rises with inflation.
Our members have reached the end of their tether. We're now in a situation where, unless we get round the negotiating table and get a revised offer, we'll be in dispute and we'll be taking industrial action.
Network Rail, which owns and runs the tracks and infrastructure, said the unions are holding the country to ransom. Any strike action is likely to have a huge impact on commuters. On an average workday, some 5 million journeys are made by rail, so passengers up and down the country would be affected.
If there's no trains, can't do my work, so that's going to have an impact on me personally and obviously my business as well.
The fact that it's all over the UK, it's not going to leave people much choice of how to get in.
Well, the trains have been bad enough, I probably won't actually notice the difference.
The strike result will now be considered by the RMT's executive, and the Prime Minister will be watching closely. Only today did his new business secretary confirm a crackdown on public sector strikes.
Especially when it comes to essential services like transport, but also say health and education. And the changes we'll be making, and it will be in more detail in our Queen's speech, are that we want 50% of eligible voters to take part in ballot when a ballot actually takes place.
In fact, the RMT's vote beat the threshold with a turnout of 60%. Those voting backed walkouts by 4 to 1. Both sides claim they want to get back round the table and keep things moving, but we're the closest we've been in 2 decades to returning to this. Tessa Chapman, 5 News.